Namaskar. Respected Shri Dharmendra Pradhan Ji, Honorable Union Minister, Education, Government of India, Professor Anil Sahasrabuddhe, Chairman, National Education Technology Forum, Professor Mazhar Asif Ji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Jamia Millia Islamia University, Professor M. Jagdish Kumar, former Chairperson, UGC, Chairperson of NCTE, Professor Pankaj Arora Ji, Member Secretary Srimati Abhilasha Jha Mishra Ji, and of course all our distinguished guests who are there in the audience, esteemed members of the Council, Professor Anu Singh, Professor Akhilesh Mishra Ji, our senior officers from the Ministry of Education, distinguished educationists, officers from central and state governments, teacher educators, scholars, dignitaries, members of the media, and my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a privilege to join you today as we mark the 31st Foundation Day of the National Council for Teachers Education. I extend my warm greetings to all those who have been part of NCT's journey, past and present, for their unwavering dedication, perseverance, and commitment to advancing the cause of quality teachers' education. My heartfelt wishes to the entire NCTE family as it continues this pursuit and as we go ahead and forward in this educational journey. This year is the celebration is of special significance. It coincides with the 5 years since the launch of the National Education Policy 2020 by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. At that time, I think one of the quotes of the poet W.B. Yeats can be very aptly applied. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. And NEP embodies this very spirit. As the Honorable Minister for Education had so aptly said during the celebrations for the 5th anniversary of NEP 2020, today NEP 2020 is a living, dynamic force that is entering the classrooms, empowering educators, and redefining learning outcomes across India. It is a philosophical document, but it is also a document which is transforming India. From early childhood care and education to higher learning, NEP has ushered in bold and visionary reforms, emphasizing the integration of vocational education, importance of learning in one's mother tongue, and a renewed commitment to holistic, joyful, and multidisciplinary education. At the heart of this change lies teacher education. The NEP 2020 document has greatly stressed teachers' education. It is the very foundation on which the success of the NEP document itself rests. The great scientist Einstein had said that solutions to problems cannot be found at the level which created them. This is a very apt point for us because we are in the midst of transforming this education. Today, technology driven reforms are a must. For this, when Chairperson NCT has talked about accountability as being one of the pillars, that accountability, that pillar itself rests on technology driven reforms, for which the NCT is looking towards its Vidya Samiksha Kendra, which is being established. And that VSK is just one of the elements of the technology driven reforms which are going on. The theme for this Foundation Day, Samarth Shikshak Sashakt Bharat, beautifully captures this essential truth. Because our reforms are also empowering teachers, they are the cornerstone of an empowered nation. When our teachers are skilled, confident, and inspired, they nurture in our students the values of curiosity, critical thinking, and compassion, qualities that shape individuals and not just individuals, but the future of our nation. I think it is very pertinent that we will also be following this day with 5th September when it is Teachers' Day. And that is yet another element by which we empower our teachers. So today, NCT plays a vital role as the custodian of teachers' education in India. As a regulatory body, it has set benchmarks and ensured quality, but there is a long way to go. And it has guided the professional development of these educators, again, with NEP 2020 as the cornerstone, there are multiple paths which have to be designed by NCTE and which have to be introduced by NCTE to ensure that our teacher educators and our teachers of tomorrow live up to these standards. The National Mission for Mentoring, which was launched last year, is a visionary program which is aimed at connecting teachers with experienced mentors. Till now, we have only piloted this mission. It is incumbent upon NCTE to reach the targets that we aim, that is of 1 lakh mentors, a milestone that will mark just the beginning of our universe of teachers, which is almost a crore in this country. So we are targeting 1 lakh mentors. Our broad vision is to ensure that every group of 5 teachers, at least one mentor, should be available as a guiding force. This mission taps into the deep wisdom not only of our accomplished educators, but also of the entire community to ensure continuous growth. We also have another qualitative improvement, which is the National Professional Standards for Teachers, NPST. This is a comprehensive framework which outlines values, competencies, and practices expected of every teacher. This is yet another mission that we are rolling out to every state, every UT of the country to ensure that our teachers and our children actually have access to a uniform quality education that teachers in no state, in no district, in no town and village are actually wanting. So we require these standards to be achieved by each and every teacher. There are 3 levels that are there, and we would expect that our teachers attain the highest level of excellence. Together, both of these initiatives form a robust foundation for capacity building and teacher empowerment. We have noted the revival of NCTE's 2 academic journals. I am sure that these platforms will be instrumental in fostering research, dialogue, and innovation in the field of teachers' education. I compliment and commend NCTE for re-energizing them. As our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has often reminded us, a teacher is not merely an instructor, but a nation builder. His message to teachers is one of pride, responsibility, and selfless service, reminding us that the influence of a great teacher endures for a lifetime. As we look to the future, let us hope that NCTE will continue its commitment to innovation in teachers' education, in ushering in technology-led reforms and deeper engagement with the educators across the country. If we are able to prepare teachers of world-class caliber, India can rightfully aspire to become a global hub for teachers' education, sharing not only our talent and pedagogical traditions, but also our deep-rooted values to the entire world. We should become the guru of the entire world. On this occasion, let us reaffirm our collective resolve to empower our teachers, strengthen our nations, and uphold the standards of excellence that are expected from all of us as per NEP 2020. It is truly through empowered teachers that we will realize the dream of a truly Sashakt Bharat, a Viksit Bharat, a strong, self-reliant, and enlightened nation. I once again extend my warmest wishes to the entire NCTE community on this momentous day. May your efforts continue to illuminate the path of education in our country for generations to come. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.